Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek and welcome back to Real Estate Investing Adventures. Glad to have you back for today's video. For those of you that are new, who the heck am I? Well, my name is Joe Jurek and I'm an entrepreneur that travels all over the country, coast to coast, and I speak at different real estate events and different seminars, and I teach people about real estate investing. Today on this adventure, we're going to have a great topic to talk about. Thanks for joining me. Hi everybody, welcome back to this adventure. What are we going to talk about today? We're going to talk about finding deals on the MLS. Yes, the multiple listing service. I know people say you can't find them with the realtor, but today I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek with Real Estate Investing Adventures, and today we're going to talk about finding deals with a realtor. Yes, finding deals that are currently listed on the market. Well, I live in Florida, as you can tell. It's another beautiful sunny day in sunny Central Florida. It feels good. It's about 85 degrees, and I might even go into the pool later. And why do I feel so happy about that? Because this weekend, it was actually snowing. Yes, snowing, and it's almost May. It was snowing in different parts of the country. I just want to tell you, you got to love the island life and love the tropical life. But in any event, this should motivate you to get out there and make it happen, right? We're going to talk today about finding deals with utilizing a realtor. Often people tell me, well, Joe, my realtor can't find me any deals. There's no good deals on the MLS. I have to find off-market or unlisted properties. And sometimes that is true. I've done plenty of videos here, so make sure you look for them on finding off-market and unlisted deals, because that is a great way to hit a home run every now and then. But can you truly find real estate deals with working with a realtor? I'm telling you, you can. Now, often people say, well, Joe, my realtor, Mabel, she just isn't finding me anything, and she's telling me how competitive it is, and every time there's a good deal out there, they got like 10 offers on it. So I don't even bother looking on the MLS anymore. Well, let me tell you a little story. I was in South Florida this weekend, just outside of West Palm Beach, Florida, okay? South Florida is a very hot, fast-moving market. It really is. Often, as we call different realtors, they would say there's nothing really on the market, it's a seller's market, inventory's low, and actually it almost seemed like we were getting a blow-off that they were just telling us it's a horrible time to buy. I had to stop and think, was it really a bad time? Was the West Palm Beach area really that competitive and there were absolutely no deals? Or did the realtors maybe not know the best way to look for the deals, or did they not want to work that hard? So those were questions I was asking myself. So what did we end up doing? I was working with a terrific group of about 20 people. We ended up calling more and more realtors. And let me tell you this, we had found so many, in my opinion, great deals that were on the market that they told us, you can't find anything under a certain price point. Did we? We did. Out of all the properties we found, 2 of them had went under contract the next day or the day after. So if they weren't that great of a deal, why did somebody make an offer on them, or why was one of the properties very competitive? So grab your notepad and piece of paper, pen, whatever you need, because I want to give you a few tips, and I hope you like these. Number 1, just because other investors or other people don't say there's deals out there doesn't mean there really aren't. And why would they say that? I think about a time I was in Michigan, and I talked to a realtor, and they said, oh, there's no deals here. You should go back and maybe look in Indiana or Illinois or another state, because Michigan's just, there's no deals here. What I realized by talking to that realtor was they didn't want the competition of another investor coming into their area or their territory. So I want you to understand, just because people tell you something doesn't mean it's the truth. You can listen to what they say, you just don't have to do or believe what they tell you if you find a contradiction. So take it with a grain of salt when people tell you this market isn't good. The second thing I'll tell you, and you've got to remember this, great deals are created by the offer you make. You need to write that down. Great deals are created by the offer you make. And you might say, Joe, what the heck do you mean by that? Here's the thing. As we're looking at a lot of properties, the realtor may say, well, nothing has enough margin in it to make sense. But if you made a well-calculated, aggressive offer to a motivated seller, could odds be good that they would accept that? I want to tell you, over the past few weeks, I've been all over the country, and one thing has been a common thing that I've noticed. People will tend to overprice properties, and every market I've been in over the last couple of weeks, they had significant price drops, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, even $80,000. Now here's the thing. If you would have made an offer on that property maybe 6 months ago when it cost $80,000 more, would you have overpaid? You would have. And if you would have realized that after you overpaid, you would have heard, oh, sorry, better luck next time. So here is what you need to do. You need to make an offer that you're comfortable with. You need to make an offer that will work for you. You need to make an offer that you're creating the deal, okay? So can you find deals on the MLS? You can. Even if the prices don't look good, you're not just looking at the property and the price. You're looking at how potentially motivated the seller might be. Is that another golden nugget? Is that a key? You better believe it is. Motivation of the seller. Not what they're going to take, not what they need to get, not what they would like to get, but what's it going to take to get the property sold. There's a huge difference. You got to hear this. Some sellers are literally unable to take less for a property, but some sellers are just stubborn and they're unwilling to take less. You need to find the people that can take less and are willing to take less, because will time motivate a seller? Yes, it will. So what I want to tell you is get out there, work the MLS, find more than one realtor, make a lot of offers, and create your next deal. When other investors say, well, how did you find that deal? I found it on the MLS. Till next time, live life in the moment with no regrets. Thank you for joining me on this adventure, because real estate is fun and it's always an adventure. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.